Hello and welcome to today's tutorial where I'm going to teach you how to edit certain elements of your sidebar. Particularly, we're going to look at this little shopper code that you might have. So where you've got a simple image that will either link to your online shop or would link to somewhere else. I'm going to show you how to change that, because that's something obviously that you would do maybe on a monthly basis, maybe even a weekly basis if you have lots of orders. So we're going to look at how to change this. So I've created the image with the new code. I'm not going to teach you how to do that today, but I am going to show you how you basically update this so that it is correct for this month. So this is my blog, and I'm just going to log into, from this part here, you can go straight into widgets, which is where this element of the site is. And this is what we're going to come in here and edit. And basically it will be uploading a new image. So the first thing I need to do, actually before I come in here, is go to my library, my media library, where I upload all of the images. And you're going to add new, click on select files like you would do with any of the images you would upload. And I just navigate to where I have it stored on my computer. So it's right here. So that's my new code. I've titled it as this because it just makes it easier for me to keep track of what codes and what images I've got on my computer and then again on my website. So I'm going to, you see it's uploaded here. I'm going to click into this. And the bit of code that I need to edit the widget is this bit. So once I've clicked into the image, I'm just going to come here and highlight all of that and click copy. So I've basically copied the URL of the actual image. Okay, so we're just going to close that down. We're then going to go to appearance widgets to take us back to the widget section. Now quite a large number of themes, WordPress themes, will allow you to edit your widgets with a live preview, and that basically means it will open it up so you can actually see your site. I like to do that because then you can see it's worked. You can edit it in this section here. It's the old way of being able to do it. Before WordPress had some updates, and I could edit it here, click save, and then open my website and check it's worked. But if you have the option to open it with manage with live preview, then I would recommend doing that. So we're going to click into manage with live preview, and it will automatically open up the appearance settings. And it will also open up on my homepage. Now my homepage doesn't have my sidebar, so I'm just going to navigate on here to my blog page, because that is where my sidebar with this particular widget appears. You may have your blog directly on your homepage, in which case you can edit it right there and then. So if I scroll down to the widget that I want to edit, you'll see here I've got a little pencil icon that may appear on yours, it may not, dependent upon your theme. A lot of the way WordPress works is dependent upon your theme. So if you don't have a little pencil next to the icon that you want to edit, you can click into here, and if it's been a code that's been updated by a web developer or myself, then I will have done it in what's called a custom HTML, as in I've created some coding to make this widget work. So we're going to click into that coding, and this is basically telling the website exactly what I want to appear and where I want it to link to. And the only bit that you need to touch is the element called source, and that's basically the image that appears, because I want to keep the text the same. I still want it to link to my page on my website that is my Shopper Club page. So the only bit I need to change for this particular element is the source, which is this bit here that says SRC. That means source. So between the speech marks, I'm going to select from the HTTPS all the way through to PNG. That is the code for the particular image that's there. I'm going to delete that one because we don't want that one. And I'm going to hit Control Paste so that I bring in the one that we've just uploaded. You'll see it take a moment just to upload it. And there you can see the new code that we had have just uploaded. And then I'm going to come down here and click Done. And then the last element is to click Publish, and there you have it. It has updated the shopper code here on my blog. If you want to test it, you can go to your blog. Let me just go to the home page again and go to blog. Sorry, I was typing that wrong. Just so you can see it on the live site. That has all updated. If you wanted to go back to your dashboard, you can just click the X. And then here on the blog, it should be the new image. And if I click that, yeah, it opens it and takes it direct to my Online Shopper Club page. So I'll probably come and update the image here. But the widgets is particularly one where you have to put the source code in. It's not just inserting an image, it's linking that particular image so it creates a button to click onto. Okay, so that is how you would update a shopper code widget to link to a particular page on your website, or you could link it direct to your DBWS shop. It is entirely up to you. I hope that's been helpful. There will be lots more tutorials appearing, so keep your eyes peeled on SU Business Angels. Thank you.